Hey guys, Tim Verdouwer and welcome to my Siphon Reloaded review. This is just an announcement that this product is live right now. You can get it. And I'm super excited about this product. This is a product that literally going to get 5 stars from me because this is a proven product. It's a product done by Brian Winters, and I've used this product in the past and they convert well. They do well. They build your list on autopilot, and I'm also going to show you how that works. This is an example. This is my screen in JVZoo, and as you can see here, this was a similar product. Actually, let me get 250 rows. This is a similar product that I've used from Brandon in the past. That has done really well. It built up my list on autopilot, and as you can see, all those commissions came from something that I shared in the past, and I'm still getting commissions for this. As you can see here, this is in July. I'm still getting commissions in July, and in August I will get new commissions for this product. And as you can see, I made about $1,000 here at the right top. You see, I made $1,000 with this specific product from Brian in the past that did a similar job as Siphon Reloaded. Now, what is Siphon Reloaded? Siphon Reloaded is a free viral website that builds your list on autopilot. Now, why is this software so powerful? Because you're going to share a site, you're going to give away a site. That makes this product different. You're not going to sell something, but you're going to give away something for free. You're giving away a free viral website that will build your list on autopilot. Now, how does that work? When you give away your website, the people that have your website will also share their website because they want to build their list on autopilot. And every first 5 subscribers will go exclusively to you. After that, 10% of the new subscribers will also go exclusively to you. So let's say you share your site with 100 people and all those 100 people share their site. You're going to get the first 5 leads. So you're going to get 500 leads from those 100 people, and then 10% also from all the extra leads. Now, can you imagine how powerful that is? But also, because you have the paid version, when somebody opts in, so what are you going to get? Let me share my screen. You're going to get a landing page like this. This is your website that you're going to share. Once somebody opts in to this page, they will be offered a thank you page with a paid offer, an affiliate offer, where you're going to get paid for. So once somebody subscribes, they buy the paid offer. You're going to get paid for that specific offer and the funnel for that offer. So you're going to make some great commissions. Now, there's even a better point that when somebody does not upgrade, does not buy the offer to upgrade to Siphon Reloaded paid version, when they share their site, for example, with 100 people and they are a free member, when they share their site with those people, and those people, let's say they share it with 100 people and 10 people upgrade, you're going to get paid 10 times for those people that upgrade. So every member who does not upgrade from you, but is sharing the site, you're going to get paid for their signups that upgrade. And that's all automatically done within this system. This is Siphon Reloaded. This is the members area. And you're going to add your affiliate link in here. This is the affiliate link that you're going to put in here. And you're going to share your site. And you're going to get leads on autopilot, but also you're going to get commissions on autopilot from the free members that are sharing your site with other people that are upgrading. Now, like I showed you at the beginning, Brian's stuff works. One thing I don't like about this product is that you only get this site. You're going to get this domain name that you can share, siphon.com/joinfree.php ? Ref is 94. So this is the site that you're going to get. I don't like this domain name. I don't like it that I need to share this URL. So what I've done, I've put together a bonus package. Let me show you here. Where my first bonus, I'm going to show you how you can use Siphon Reloaded in your own WordPress website with clean URLs. So instead of siphon.com/joinfree.php, ref is 90, you're going to get your website.com/free website, for example, that you can share. Your conversion will be higher and nobody can steal your leads, because when somebody fills out another number in here, I like to do that always when I see an affiliate link. I like to change this to 90 and see what I see then. When somebody subscribes to 90, you're not going to get the leads because somebody else has number 90. So I'm going to give this as my first bonus. My second bonus is also the second thing that I don't like about this product is that you only get one page. This is the page that you're going to get, and you're going to share this. Now, this product will be sold thousands of times through Warrior Plus. Thousands and thousands and thousands of times. So this page will be saturated. Everyone knows this page and they think, oh, it's that product. I'm not going to sign up, or already seen that. So what I'm going to offer you also as a bonus is I'll show you my hack how to create unlimited opt-in pages for Siphon Reloaded, for this program. I know a hack that nobody else knows that will subscribe people to Siphon Reloaded. This is a very smart trick that nobody else knows. I'm going to give it to you, and look at this. This is a page that I created myself. Enter your email for a free website, and people can enter their email in here, and then they be subscribed to Siphon Reloaded. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. The only requirement is that you have a page builder that accepts HTML forms, that converts it to an opt-in form. And I'm also going to show you a free way for a trial time of 14 days, how you can do that with another program so that you can start make money in the first 14 days and then reinvest that to continue this service. But you can create unlimited pages. I'm going to give you a code that you can use so that people are being opted in to Siphon Reloaded automatically. Very cool plugin. Nobody else is offering this. I'm going to give that to you. And I'm also going to give you another training how you can use this with free traffic. I literally made tens of thousands of dollars with free traffic. I'm going to show you how you can use Siphon Reloaded with free traffic, also training. And I'm going to give you 9 additional traffic sources that you can use to send traffic to your website. And my fifth bonus is also, I'm going to give you a solo ads traffic guide, the ultimate solo ads traffic guide, that will show you how to use solo ads. This is written by one of my buddies. And this is not PLR crap. This is the top vendor, solo ad vendor in the industry, which is a very good training that you need if you want to run solo ads. Solo ads, you can order solo ads. That means that you're going to order clicks from somebody else's list, and you're going to send them to your opt-in page, and you're only going to pay for those clicks. But there are a lot of scammers in there, and this training shows you exactly what to be aware of if you buy solo ads, etc. Very powerful training that you definitely want to have. Also, you're going to get access to all the semi-exclusive bonuses. So when you click this link on my website, and by the way, there's some more links that you can click. You can also click on this link where you can see a page that I created. Here also you can click on this page to see how that works on your own domain. Let's see, here's another page that I created, a landing page here. Discover how I made 6,000 in 7 days with nothing but email, free website included. When I put my email in here, johng@gmails.com, you will see that this page works similar. It's going to redirect, look at this, to my Siphon Reloaded. So
hey, it's Brian Winters here
you
with
see
a 2-minute video
the
to
next
welcome
page.
you to Siphon Reloaded.
Here you can see how it works. You see, that was my custom opt-in page, and now people will see this page where they will be offered to upgrade, and this continue link. Here is my affiliate link when they upgrade. So this is what they're going to see. And you saw I just opted in through my own opt-in page. So you can check that out here. And the custom bonus, or the semi-exclusive bonuses, are in here. Let me show you that also. These bonuses you're also going to get. So in here, probably a lot of affiliates only will offer these bonuses, but you're going to get this bonus page also that you can share with other people. So you can share this bonus page as a giveaway for anyone that gets this offer, that gets Siphon Reloaded. Now this is a cool bonus. This is the traffic co-op where you can put your ad within the traffic co-op, where a lot of people come that wants to make money online. So your ad will be displayed within this network, which is really powerful. I made sales from this traffic co-op, and it's very powerful. And then also you get a training from Jono from 0 to 100 in 24 hours. And this is also a really nice training. This is Dump Little Cash Makers. And I've seen this training. I've went through this training myself. And I cannot imagine that you will not make any money online if you implement this. This is so super dump little cash make, dump simple, that if you implement this, you're going to make money. This is almost guaranteed if you implement this that you make money. I've tried this and I already made money in my first day after implementing this. It was really simple. And this is not where you create huge amounts of profits. This is just how you make 10, 20 bucks, but it's a very good training. I really like this. And you're going to get that when you buy Siphon Reloaded. So make sure you go to my bonus page. There's a link also below this video, or you can go to timverdal.com/Siphon or Siphon. That will redirect you to this bonus page, and simply order through one of these buttons in here on my website. This green button, this red button. If you order through this button, my bonuses will be automatically be added to your Warrior Plus account. So that was my review of Siphon Reloaded. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them to me. And yeah, for now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy my reviews, make sure you hit the subscribe button below this video and the notification button so that you get an update every time I upload a new video to YouTube. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the link below this video to check out my bonuses, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.